the two head scales. For example, okay, this is the head scales. Okay, thank you. Two head scale there, two head scales. Just like the chibi characters. Okay, the alignments. Okay, that we define them. But this is basically the head scale, not the shapes of the head. Okay, so designing a caricatures is a simple kind of definitions. The head is bigger than the normal body. Okay, the body we cut into half, for examples over here. Okay, what we can do from here, okay. Now you need to have some references. But if I want to draw myself, because I already know how actually my face is going to be look like, okay, in the cartoon way. So what I can do, I will start with the structure there first, and then basically this is my face. Okay. Next, basically what I can do, okay, we do the alignment a bit, okay, and then the ears, shapes, a bit more bigger there. Right? The body itself there, okay, let's just say this is basically my neck. Okay, the body are going to be cut into half right here. Okay, shapes of it, the structure shapes. And then my arms. Okay. I draw basically the poses there, okay, first. And then basically the legs. Alignments, this is basically going to be the foot. It's just like a chibi design. Okay. But you know the chibi characters, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be the legs there. This is the general kind of what we call that structures of that caricatures. Then how actually I'm going to come up with my nose structures there. Let's just say this is my nose. And then the eyebrows itself. See right here, I start with the shapes there. That's why I prevent you guys to draw the hairline at first. What else there? Okay, the head, the hairline, the hair shapes, right? So I also just cut my hair. And then the lips. Okay? And then basically the mustache there, okay? Draw the shapes of it. The what we call the shapes of those mustache, and also the beard there, right? And then the eyes. You see? The shapes of the eyes there. It's a cartoon version of us. That's basically caricatures. Alright, simple there, right? Okay? Looks simple there to do. Alright. So this is basically the concept of caricatures. Okay, to head scale. So the head had to be bigger than the body. That's the simple things, okay? But to define the caricatures, of course, you have to create yourself into cartoon. But before you draw into cartoons, you have to draw your face first. Alright, that's the thing. We don't have any references. I try to come up with some sort of like ideas of those structures and template for our design. Okay, this is something that you should do first, right, to work on it. So let's just say I want to add some details. Normally in caricatures, right, you draw the lines. So simplify the line itself. This one doesn't have how to. Okay. So yeah, the ears kind of shift on details directly if I want to draw them. They can be in different kind of way to approach on those works. All right. Yes, Phoenix, welcome to our class there, right? So basically, okay, what I do right now, okay, I try to simplify all single shapes there. Okay, it doesn't have to be too portrait kind of styles there, okay, to work on that. At the same time, okay, everything is defining by shapes, and you actually can redesign them. Everything is by design. If I want to draw basically the eyes, add some details, go ahead there, right? Okay, standard kind of shapes there, okay, of those caricatures there. Even though those mustache, okay, that I have, I simplified that at the same times. The best way there, guys, okay, to study all these kind of things, make sure you guys look into those Googles. Check, okay, caricature drawing, for example. And take a look, okay, study by looking at someone, okay, some people, some artists who have done these caricatures. Okay, try to study a little bit by observing the method they've been produced from there. Okay, from here, okay, I will draw basically the body itself there. Okay, remember guys, okay, half of it we cut into half from the one head scales, body and also the legs to balance them up. What we call that the leg and the lower legs there, okay, half of it at the same times. Okay, before we draw basically the fruit. All this kind of thing can be improvised in times. But next week or another following week, okay, we actually can put into more details if we have those references, okay, to work on that. So